There are times when you need a small amount of money to cover an overdraft or an unexpected expense, but most of the time, it's not worth it to apply for a loan just to borrow a few bucks. A $100 instant loan app can help you get the money you need right away to cover a shortfall. When you need a cash advance, the best options are the ones listed below. Here are 7 apps that will give you a quick $100 loan without checking your credit. Number 1. Dave. Dave is a great alternative to banking. You can do all of your banking with the app and a debit card that is linked to it. And if you often need money fast, having an account with Dave could save your life. You could get a loan of up to $500 with no interest from extra cash. All you have to do is set up direct deposit. When you bank with Dave, you pay a $1 fee every month to be a member. But there are no other fees, like monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance requirements, overdraft fees, or ATM fees. Also, if you get your paycheck through direct deposit, you could get it up to 2 days early. If you're not sure if it's worth it to open an account with Dave, the fact that you can quickly borrow up to $500 with no interest or fees could be a big plus. Number 2. Bridget. Bridget can give you up to $250 in cash without checking your credit or charging you any fees. To borrow from Bridget, you have to pay a $9.99 membership fee every month. But if you need cash advances often, it may be worth it. Bridget also has ways to help you build your credit, like giving you a loan for 12 or 24 months. When you borrow money, the Bridget app will put the money into an account called Credit Builder. For 12-month loans, you'll have to choose a monthly payment between $1 and $24. And for 24-month loans, you'll have to choose between $1 and $50. Bridget will tell the credit bureaus about how you pay back loans. This will help you improve your credit score if you pay back loans on time. Number 3. Earnin. The Earnin app is one of the cheapest ways to borrow up to $100 per day. There are no hidden fees or subscription costs, which is different from many other cash advance apps. Instead, Earnin asks that you send a tip that you think is fair as thanks for the loan. Earnin will only let you borrow money if you can show that you get paid. As was already said, you can borrow up to $100 a day from what you make. One of the best things about Earnin is how easy it is to use. No credit check is done, and there are no hidden fees. Plus, a period with no interest makes it cheap to borrow money. Earnin will keep track of how much you borrow and take the money out of your next paycheck to pay back the loan. Number 4. PayActive. PayActive is one of the biggest services that lets you get your paycheck early. Over 1,500 companies like Walmart and Uber let their employees use PayActive. Each employer will decide how much of an employee's earned wages they will let them borrow. But even if you don't work for a company that takes part, you can still use PayActive as an alternative to a bank account. When you borrow from your next paycheck, the money can be put in a bank account or on a card, so you can use it for whatever you want. The cash advance you took out will be taken out of your next paycheck. Number 5. Chime. Chime is a way to handle your money if you don't want to or can't open a checking account at a traditional bank. When you sign up for a Chime account, you'll get 2 accounts, a spend account, which is like a checking account that you can use to pay bills, and a save account. The Chime app is used for everything to do with money. You might get a push notification while using Chime that tells you to get a Chime instant loan. Chime loans start at $100 and go up from there, depending on how much direct deposit you get and what you do. Chime loans must be paid back in 3 equal payments every month. A Chime instant loan costs $5 for every $100 you borrow. When you pay off a loan, you may get a notification through the app about another loan offer. Over time, Chime might be able to lend you more money. Chime is not a bank. It is a company that makes technology for money. The Bancorp Bank or Stride Bank, N.A., which are members of the FDIC, offer banking services and give out debit cards. Number 6. MoneyLion. MoneyLion gives cash advances of up to $250 with no interest and no credit check. Best of all, the money can be used right away. To get a MoneyLion loan, you must have a checking account that has been open for at least 2 months and make regular deposits. MoneyLion offers Credit Builder Plus loans for up to $1,000 if you need to borrow more. Credit Builder will charge you $19.99 per month for a subscription if you want to borrow more money. Credit Builder loans have to be paid back over the course of a year. Your loan activity and payments will be reported to credit bureaus to help you build your credit. Number 7. Albert. Albert will let you borrow up to $250 for free if you need it. When you borrow money, you don't have to pay late fees or interest. To be eligible, you'll need to get paid regularly. Your next paycheck is used to borrow the money you need. If you need the cash right away, Albert will charge you a small fee. You can also choose to wait 2 to 3 days and get the money for free. As long as you pay back your Albert cash advances on time, you can get up to 3 cash advances every time you get paid. Takeaway: things come up in life, and sometimes you need a quick cash boost to deal with them. You can get the money you need quickly with cash advance apps. The $100 loan apps we've looked at here are some of the best. Most of them don't check your credit and have low or no fees, so you can get money quickly.